Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. And today we will talk about a highly requested topic, and probably everybody says it's a highly requested topic, but actually it is, because I get a lot of questions. Anastasia, what are you doing for your hair and scalp? I would love to talk more about what you can do at home to not only enhance hair growth, your well-being of your head, but overall also enhance your hair. So let's go. So you have over 100 to 150,000 follicles all over your hair, and you approximately lose 50 to 150 hairs a day, which is absolutely normal. And each of those follicles also produces sebum, so your natural oil of your hair. And this is also the oil which makes your hair at some point greasy, but is very, very important for the health and strength of your hair. The skin on your scalp is also a little bit thicker due to all the follicles, but you can technically see it as the extension of your face and also should treat it as such, but we will get to that later. So your scalp has its own microbiome, and if you throw it off by using the wrong products or treating your scalp not right, you can cause pimples, eczema, dry skin, or even overproduction of oil, and then your hair just becomes more greasy and overall just clogs the pores. So how to get actually a healthy scalp? Because a healthy scalp determines the look of your hair, the strength of your hair, and also generally your well-being of your head. First rule, I would try to avoid sulfates, fragrance, and alcohol in your hair care products, because they can not only dry out your scalp and cause dandruff, but generally really mix up your microbiome. I personally have more oily hair, but I actually try to wash it every 3 days, if not longer. So try to avoid washing your hair all the time, because more friction, more water, more products will just irritate the skin and also reduce your hair. Then when you're shampooing your hair, I would really use the shampoo only on the roots and really massage it in. Do not rub the skin crazily, and really stick to the roots when it comes to the shampoo. The conditioner, on the other hand, you should only use in the length, so you do not cause any more oil production on that area. And in terms of food, probiotics and antioxidants will not only help your microbiome in your gut, but also on your hair. So now that I gave you a little introduction into the hair and health and everything, I would love to show you 3 massage techniques you can do at home to not only enhance blood circulation in that area, it will boost your mood and give you a little kick of energy right away. So let's go. I hope you feel more relaxed. Let me know in the comments how you like these massage techniques, and know that if your scalp is relaxed and you have sufficient blood circulation going through your head, it'll also impact your face and all your wrinkles and the quality of your skin. So try to really take care of your scalp more, because this will translate into your entire look of your face. And with that being said, I hope you loved this video, and if you want to learn more hacks on how to become the best version of yourself in a natural and sustainable way, then hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and I can't wait to see you next week. Until then, mwah!